Hello and welcome to DIY Friday. My name is Katie and I am a reference librarian at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make seed bombs. So seed bombs are great fun for children and adults. And whether it's in a plant pot, a flower bed, a wild patch in your lawn, or an entire meadow, sowing wildflowers provides vital resources and supports a wide range of critters and insects. So today I'll show you how to make one seed bomb. And all you need is a sheet of newspaper. Just need the one. We need a seed packet, and we'll actually just use half for one seed bomb. We need a bowl, and we need water, and that's all you need. So the first thing we're going to do is take our newspaper and tear it up into a bunch of pretty little pieces. And we're going to throw it into our bowl. They do not have to be consistently sized. In the end, everything gets scrunched together. Let's get a couple of things going. All right, so here's my bowl of newspaper, and that came from my one big sheet from the newspaper. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is take our bowl and just cover it with water. We don't need it, underwater. We just want it, like a nice layer covered in water. Just pushing it down. We are going to let this soak for 24 hours. And, so the longer the newspaper soaks, the better it's going to work for the seed bomb. Now, this is all I can do for today. I will be back tomorrow to show you what to do with our soaked wet newspaper and how to turn it into a seed bomb. All right, it's been 24 hours, so now I am going to remove the newspaper from the water and squeeze out some of the liquid. And I have my second bowl here. This is kind of squidgy, I'll say that. And then we can just set this water aside and discard it. All right, so we now have our damp newspaper that's been sitting in our new bowl. We're going to grab our seed pack and we're going to add half of the seeds from this pack. They're all relatively similar size. We're going to add half to our bowl of wet newspaper. Okay, We're going to take our newspaper and form it into a ball, and we're just going to have those seeds kind of scattered throughout. All right, so this is pretty much all we really need to do. I am going to set this in the window and let it dry. That's just going to make it a little easier to plant. And once this is dry, what we'll do is you can just throw your balm, and the seeds will scatter wherever you throw it, you know, kind of why it's named a seed balm. So throw it out into like an empty field, or if you have a lot of yard and you're thinking, oh, it'd be nice if I had some wildflowers, just throw it. Hits the ground. Once it's dry, those seeds kind of explode out of it, hence why it's called a seed balm. But you are also totally okay if you want to plant it outside in a pot, following the directions that'll be on your seed pack as well. And then all you got to do is enjoy and watch your plants grow. Now, if you signed up for a seed balm take and make kit here at Worcester, you'll be able to pick up your seed bombs starting June 1st. And your kit will allow you to make 2 seed bombs. So you'll be able to make 2 that are about this size, each holding a half a seed pack. And as of this recording, I only had a few spots left. So if you want to make one of these and you don't want to buy your own newspaper or seed packs, make sure you register online. Otherwise, they're very simple to make and the supplies are easy to pick up. Thank you for joining me for DIY Friday. I hope you enjoy all of the wildflowers you'll be seeing growing after you make your seed bombs.